What's up guys, it's a new day and I've just picked up this near stock Evo 10. It's freaking filthy, but besides that, PowerTune have actually got a Motec sale on this weekend, and for this weekend only. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take this Evo to their shop, get myself a Motec ECU, literally roll in there, plug it in, start the car up and roll out. You're not going to believe me. You're not going to believe me because everyone has this mindset that putting a Motec in your car is a hell of a lot of work. You've got to rewire the whole thing. But today, I'm going to prove to you that it's literally a 5-minute job or less. So let's go do it. So before we head there, guys, I'm just going to get on their website, PowerTune Australia. Comes up, yeah, powertune.com.au. We'll go in, we'll literally get the plug-and-play kit for the Evo 10. And do the old click and collect. Now let's go see him. This is going to be good. So as you can see, it's yeah, just the standard Evo. Drives like normal. It's manual. And yeah, we're just going to roll into PowerTune. Car's obviously running. There we go. PowerTune Australia. Oh, this is my RBM3. Hopefully I got my ECU ready. So here we go. We got everything in the car working. Aircon, all the functions on the steering wheel here. Everything in the car is stock. So from factory, obviously everything works. And we're about to put basically the world's best ECU in this car. Let's do it. See you. All right. So here we are, PowerTune. We got Ryan. Hang on, buddy. Hey guys. And I've just ordered a kit online, and this looks to be
pretty much what you ordered.
Awesome. Okay. So what do we got here?
Okay, so this is our plug-and-play M130 Motec ECU for the Evo 10.
Yep.
So it comes with the M130 ECU, mounting bracket, and our custom loom.
Okay.
So basically what this will do is enable us to literally just plug it into your car, replace the factory ECU, retain all factory functionality and drive as if you didn't change the ECU at all. However, give you the flexibility of all the tuning options, all the extra functionality and everything that the Motec offers.
So how have you got it so like when we just put this in, it's just going to start up and drive away?
Yeah, so what we've actually done is we've spent a lot of time to develop a base map for a standard car that will pretty much start and run most cars regardless of their injector size and things like that, because all we need to do is just know the injectors that you've got in your car, we input that into the Motec and it scales everything accordingly.
Awesome. All right, so how confident are you that we'll be able to plug this in and it will start straight away?
100% confident.
What about time frame?
Oh look, to be honest, I think we can do this in under 5 minutes.
All right, 5 minutes. Let's start the timer. All right, let's go. You got 5 minutes. It started already. I don't even know where the ECU is in this thing. I'm guessing it's in here. I'd be looking down the kick panel. So where's the ECU? Oh, there it is.
Just located right there.
Yeah, wow. It's not extremely hard to get to, but
it's not terrible.
No. So this service doesn't actually come with purchasing the online kit, by the way.
No, I don't think you can fly out and install it.
No. Yeah. So this is what you guys will be doing. So you literally take, what are they, 10 mil?
So those top ones are 10 mil,
yep.
And the ones at the bottom of the mount are 12 mil.
Yep.
We literally just remove the factory ECU, plug in the Motec in its place, bolt it in using our mounting bracket, plug in the connectors, and start the car.
Wow. You probably lost a minute already, mate. So you don't have to disconnect the battery?
Yes, absolutely, and I'm about to do that.
Okay, cool. Cool. Alright, I'm going to stop talking and we're just going to watch, guys. Jesus. Old mate's making a racket out of here. Hey, look who's here. Roberto. Time's running out. Jesus. Oh, safety first. Make sure you tape up the main cable so it doesn't short out. So you've literally just disconnected the ECU now?
Factory ECU, yep.
Yep.
So that there, yeah, factory ECU.
Yeah, wow. Look at that. They worth anything?
Depends who you ask.
Yeah, right. So the mounting bracket, okay, so
So
they
this
just...
retains the factory
Oh, cool, yep.
factory bolts,
Yep.
factory mounting points, and basically just put this into factory location, bolt it up, and plug it in.
Yeah, right. I'll put this away. The ECU's mounted. These are the original plugs down in here. And now we got the loom.
Then we get to install the loom.
Yep.
So basically what we have is the ECU connection that does this nice long Ethernet cable.
Yep.
That allows your engine tuner to connect to the ECU.
Cool.
And basically perform any modifications and anything else that needs to be made at a later date. So we can just basically wrap that up and tuck it away.
Yep.
It's not in this, but otherwise we just pop it out.
Cool.
So there we have
The Motec.
Motec ECU into the car with the expansion cables ready for you to connect an LTC or any other expansion sensors or anything like that,
Yeah, wow.
and the cable that then goes into the car. So I'll now connect the main power up.
Yep.
And we'll fire up the car and see how it goes.
Simple as that, eh? Jesus. I didn't actually think you'd do it in 5 minutes, to be honest. So now he's putting the main feed back in.
Okay, so
There we go.
let's go jump in the car. Okay.
That easy, huh? Frickin' hell. Let's fire it up. That's frickin' nuts. So, aircon, everything's still gonna work.
Aircon, absolutely everything still works.
Even all this,
Stereo, your cruise control,
everything.
absolutely everything still works. Traction control, center differential, everything.
Jesus. And just so you guys know, that alarm is for the hood because it's not closed. So there's no flashing lights, there's no freaking like radio, everything still works.
Yep,
And we
So
still
now-
got the time too, so that's a bonus.
that's a bonus.
Jesus.
So we can now take it for a drive if you like, and I'll show you and prove to you that cruise and everything still works.
Yeah, let's do that.
So we literally haven't connected the ECU or ECU to a laptop at all. As you've seen, we
Yep.
literally just plugged it in.
Yep.
Turn the key and it works.
Alright, let's do that. Alright guys, so due to safety reasons, I can't film and drive at once, so I'm going to get Ryan to drive for us. And yeah, we'll get straight into it. So we'll go test out the cruise control,
Yep.
and we can turn the aircon off because we know that works. Freezing, yeah. It's freaking nuts, eh?
It is.
Just come in, pick it up, install it, away you go. So if you were to put this ECU in, your car was dead stock, no different turbo, no injectors, nothing else had changed, just the ECU, could you still thrash it?
Absolutely. So our base map was done on the dyno.
Yep.
So everything that we've done so far is on the dyno, so we know that it's safe with a completely stock car. So obviously if you'd modified it with a bigger turbo, injectors and stuff like that, 100% it needs to be tuned by
Yep.
your tuner. But if it is a completely stock car, it will operate, and it has been tuned on the dyno for a stock car.
That's freaking cool, eh?
Yeah.
Alright, so we found ourselves a nice stretch of road.
Nice straight stretch.
Everyone will remember this from the 34 video. We did 50.
Yeah, so we're currently doing 50. Push the cruise control on off button, you'll see the light comes up on the dash as per standard.
Yep.
Hit the set button exactly as you would with the standard car, and I can remove my feet from the pedals. You can see we retain the same speed.
Yeah, right. The cruise works and
There we go,
everything.
yep, and we can accelerate as per standard. Absolutely stock.
Far out. Well, there you have it, eh? Right, now to the fun stuff. Launch control. Is there anything you need to do to turn it on or anything, or it's just always...
No, so we've got it always enabled, but basically to activate the launch control, what you need to do is apply the throttle over 80% in one go and just hold it sort of flat as with the clutch engaged. And what will happen is the engine will actually start to limit at your set RPM. We would normally set it at sort of like 4.5 grand or thereabouts.
Yep.
In this demo, I've just set it at 3,000.
Okay.
So we can adjust that, or your engine tuner can adjust that as well.
Cool. So it's a standard thing that comes with the ECU.
With the Motec, yeah, yep. That's right. And what we can actually do is we can set it up so that we can use things like you know, your center diff switch or any other switches in the car to actually change that launch RPM as well. Yeah, so we can push the button a couple of times and move it from say 3 grand up to say 4.5, 5, 6, whatever it may be.
Jesus.
Okay, so clutch in.
Yep.
We're going to put our foot on the accelerator, flat to the floor.
Yep. And
what we'll see on the dashboard is the engine will limit to 3 grand. So, like so.
And then you just take off.
Take off, let go of the clutch, and away we go.
And by doing this, you basically have full boost before you take off.
That's exactly right. So the engine will build boost whilst you're sitting still, and then as you let go of the clutch, you accelerate with boost already. So eliminating lag.
That's freaking cool. So there you have it, eh?
Yeah.
Full Motec package.
That's right. And as you can see, drives as standard.
That's crazy. That's so freaking good. So if you guys want one, they're actually doing a sale for this weekend only. So that would be the 19th of October it runs out.
That's right, the end of World Time Attack.
So yeah, if you want to get this package for an Evo, you also do Subaru.
We do Subaru WRX, we have GTR.
Yep.
And that WRX is also, I should say, from 2008 all the way through to current model as well.
Yeah, wow.
And we also do have a package for the earlier model Evos with a full plug and play harness.
And then the GTR, obviously 32, 33, 34.
32, 33, 34. We do full Atessa control, so four-wheel drive control right from the ECU, so there's no need for a four-wheel drive controller. And that includes like G-sensor inputs and all sorts of stuff like that as well.
And if you do have a car that's a little bit left field, just send PowerTune an email, because I guarantee you they'll more than likely be able to do something. So
absolutely.
Yeah. So there you go, guys. Head to the powertune.com.au website and yeah, get your Motec goodies on sale this weekend only. Thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you in the next video.